Do you remember the character of Bhuvan in the movie Lagan? He and his team tried to beat British team with having almost no knowledge about the cricket. They were confident, they were hardworking as well, but they had no idea about how to play cricket. But when the lady Elizabeth came into picture, she made them aware about how to play cricket, about how could they strategize their entire game to beat the British team. And what was the end result? The end result was that they emerged victorious. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that when your confidence and hard work are combined with the right source, the probability of getting success becomes higher. So this concept, this principle is equally applicable in case of examination also. Despite being a hardworking candidate, despite having confidence, sometimes it is not possible for you to clear the examination. And what can be the possible reason? The possible reason can be that you may not have idea about the right source. You may not have awareness or knowledge about the right source. So hello friends, welcome to EduTap. I am Prakash. I am a company secretary and a law graduate, and today we are going to discuss about the important book list and sources for paper 2 of SEBI grade A legal officer examination. So we have already discussed about the salary of this post. We have already discussed the profile of this position. We have discussed the cutoff of this examination. We have already discussed about the eligibility of this examination. We have also discussed about the strategy to prepare for this examination. And today we are going to discuss about the important book list and sources by referring which you can clear this examination, or you can cover the syllabus of paper 2 for this examination. Why I am more focusing on paper 2 here? Because you have knowledge that in phase 2, paper 2 has the weightage of 2/3. That is why paper 2 is very important for this examination. If you have good command over the paper 2, you can clear this examination very well. So let's proceed. So first in the list is securities laws, under which SEBI Act, Securities Contract Regulation Act and Depositories Act fall. So what can be the source to prepare for securities laws? So the source can be the Bayer Act. So you have to refer Bayer Act for securities laws. Along with Bayer Act, you have to refer the latest amendments. You have to refer the latest amendments. And then regulations. Regulations are very important when we talk about the securities laws. So these are the sources to prepare securities laws, right? Bayer Act, the latest amendments you have to refer, as well as the regulations you have to refer. Next in the category is corporate laws, under which Companies Act, Limited Liability Partnership Act and Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code fall. And what can be the source to prepare the corporate laws? So the source is same, that is the Bayer Act. You have to refer the Bayer Act. You have to refer the amendments, latest amendments, and you have to refer the regulations as well. So preparing securities laws as well as the corporate laws, the sources are same. That is, you have to refer the Bayer Act, you have to refer latest amendments, and you have to refer the regulations, the latest amended regulations, right? Next is about the Constitution of India. So for Constitution of India, you can refer the book Dr. J.N. Pandey. So this is a very good book to prepare the Constitution of India. Next, if we talk about, so next in the category is Indian Contract Act. So this topic falls in the common syllabus of both phase 1 as well as phase 2. So this topic is quite important, right? So for Indian Contract Act, you can refer the book by Dr. R.K. Bangia. By Dr. R.K. Bangia, this is a very good book. So you can refer this book to prepare the topic of Indian Contract Act. Next in the category is the Law of Torts, Consumer Protection Act. So for preparing Law of Torts and Consumer Protection Act, you can refer Dr. R.K. Bangia again. So for Contract Act, for Law of Tort and for Consumer Protection Act, you can refer the book by Dr. R.K. Bangia. So I hope you got the clarity till yet. Then if we talk about the law of evidence. So for law of evidence, you can refer the book by Batuklal, the law of evidence by Batuklal. which is released by Central Law Agency. So publishing agency is Central Law Agency, and this book is by Batuk Lal. So I hope you got the clarity. So basically we have broken the topics into different components, and one by one we are discussing the book for each topic, which are quite relevant, which are quite important for your examination. Now let's proceed ahead. So next in the list is administrative law plus principle of natural justice. So for this topic, to cover this topic, you can refer the book of administrative law by IP Massey. Friends, one more disclaimer: whenever you refer any book, you have to refer the latest publication, the latest edition of that book, right? So you have to refer the latest edition in which all amendments are covered till the date when the book was published, and after that date you have to refer the amendments through which was released by the government through various rules and regulations. So you have to refer latest regulations, you have to refer latest amendments, right? I hope you got the clarity. So for administrative law and principle of natural justice, you can refer the book of administrative law by IP Massey. Next in the list is the Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code is a very vast topic, right? So for this, the very good book is the textbook on Indian Penal Code by K.D. Gore. So this you can refer. This is a very good book for Indian Penal Code, right? Now let's proceed ahead. So next is Code of Civil Procedure. So for Code of Civil Procedure, you can refer the book Civil Procedure Code by C.K. Takwani, right? By C.K. Takwani. This is a very good book by the C.K. Takwani, that is Civil Procedure Code. So you can refer this book to cover the Civil Procedure Code wala component. Then if we move ahead, then comes Code of Criminal Procedure. So to cover the Code of Criminal Procedure, you can refer the book by R.V. Kelkar. तो कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर के लिए आरवी केलकर इज वेरी गुड बुक, आप इसको भी रेफर कर सकते हैं, राइट? देन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट नेक्स्ट, दैट इज इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट, स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट, आर्बिट्रेशन एंड कॉन्सिलिएशन एक्ट, ट्रांसफर ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट एंड लॉ ऑफ ट्रस्ट. So for these components, you have to refer the Bayer Act. You have to refer Bayer Act plus amendments also. So whenever you refer any legislation, you have to refer the amendment, right? तो amendment आपका preparation का एक important part है. अगर आप law की field में आ रहे हैं, then amendment plays a very crucial role. तो आपको amendments तो refer करने ही करने हैं. I hope you got the clarity. तो इन topics के लिए you have to refer the Bayer Act along with the amendments. For taxation general principles, capital gains tax and securities transaction tax, these you can cover with the help of Google. इन टॉपिक्स के लिए आपको कोई अलग से बुक रेफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन कवर दीज टॉपिक्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ गूगल, राइट? तो आपको सिंपली गूगल कर लेना है एंड यू विल गेट द नॉलेज अबाउट दीज टॉपिक्स. देन नेक्स्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट लैटिन टर्म्स एंड मैक्सिम्स. सो while covering different books जो हमने डिस्कस की है और जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे, उनमें आप वो सारी चीजें, सारे इंपॉर्टेंट लैटिन टर्म्स और मैक्सिम्स पढ़ेंगे विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. सो फॉर दैट यू डू नॉट नीड टू रेफर एनी सेपरेट बुक, राइट? सिंपली आप गूगल करके भी ये वाली इंफॉर्मेशन जो आप गैदर कर सकते हैं बाय गूगल ऑल्सो, और जो भी बुक्स आप रेफर करेंगे उसके थ्रू भी आप बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट लैटिन टर्म्स और मैक्सिम्स आप फेस करेंगे, जो कि वही इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, राइट? तो वहां से भी हम इसकी प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं और आप गूगल की भी हेल्प ले सकते हैं टू प्रिपेयर दिस टॉपिक, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट लैटिन टर्म्स एंड मैक्सिम्स. देन इफ वी मूव अहेड, देन कम्स जूरिस्प्रूडेंस. तो जूरिस्प्रूडेंस के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छी बुक है, दैट इज वीडी महाजन. सो यू कैन प्रिपेयर द टॉपिक ऑफ जूरिस्प्रूडेंस फ्रॉम द बुक वीडी महाजन. बहुत ज्यादा बल्कि बुक नहीं है, आप इजीली प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, तो इस बुक को आप रेफर कर सकते हैं टू प्रिपेयर द कंपोनेंट ऑफ जूरिस्प्रूडेंस. Then next in the category is interpretation of statutes. Interpretation of statutes is a very important component, आपको पता है, right? इसके लिए जो एक important book है, जो अच्छी book है, that is the book by Justice G.P. Singh, and the book is Principles of Statutory Interpretation by Justice G.P. Singh. तो आप इसके लिए ये वाली book रेफर कर सकते हैं. और फ्रेंड्स इन सब के अलावा एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज दैट यू हैव टू रेफर द एमसीक्यूज। जहां से भी आप एमसीक्यूज मिले, आप जहां से भी मॉक टेस्ट दे सकें, वो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, राइट। एमसीक्यूज प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी एग्जामिनेशन। क्योंकि समटाइम्स क्या होता है, आपने पूरा सिलेबस कवर कर लिया, आप अज्यूम कर रहे हैं दैट यू हैव कवर्ड द एंटायर सिलेबस, बट फ्रेंड्स कुछ टॉपिक्स ऐसे रह जाते हैं, या जो टॉपिक्स आपने प्रिपेयर किया उन्हीं में से कॉन्सेप्ट्स किस तरीके से ट्विस्ट करके पूछे जा सकते हैं, ये आपको पता लगेगा when you cover the mock test, when you write the mock test, when you solve the mock test. So that is why I am saying that you have to solve the mock test. Mock test is also very important source to prepare for any examination. So you have to refer mock test as well. So this was all about the book list and important sources to cover the syllabus of paper 2 for SEBI Grade A Legal Officer examination. I hope you got the clarity, you enjoyed the session. So we'll come with another informative videos. Till then, goodbye and have a good day. And friends, one more important information for you. We are coming with a big surprise for you. So for that, you have to stay tuned to our channel. Till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.